Hey, you got Mark here at Kalleco Nursery. I'm going to take you somewhere different for your Thursday 3. Come follow me. All right, so for your Thursday 3, we have you in a different part of our nursery. We're in the backside, kind of our bulk area. Our paver, really our boulders this week, rocks, good old-fashioned rocks. I love rocks, use them every day. Love digging them up out of the ground, especially finding them. It's like a little treasure. We always have rocks that are small size like this, so if you're a do-it-yourselfer, you want to kind of make a garden path, border, you want to make little accents. We have stuff like that, and we have rocks that are big, that come all the way up to this size, 4 or 5 feet. The inventory kind of changes. I'm a big fan of big rocks for this, for retaining walls, seating, accents, protecting buildings, like use them as bollards, really all types of uses. Plant of the week is Callicarpa. This is probably one of my favorite shrubs of all time because it's super easy to care for. It takes a wide range of sun and soils. It can go from full sun to filtered sunlight. It has this great flower set in the spring. You know, in the summer right now you can see it. And then what happens is it grows into a magenta berry. It'll go from tip to toe. It's just starting now. It goes all the way through late fall. This is a great plant if you're a crafty person. You want to go out and cut it, bring it indoors for different arrangements. I do that myself. Really love it. It comes back every year. The one concern we get is that it's got tip dieback. It grows right through it, and it's really super great plant. I'm a big fan of it. Our product is this trellis. We have different kinds of trellis here for plants, but I also like to consider it as metal artwork. You can use it in different various parts of the landscape in your home decor. We have a bunch of varieties to choose from. So anyway, hope that helps you out. Have a great day.